All right, so today I'm going to do a dancing NPC. I'm not going to make the animation. I'm going to use my player's animation, but I'm going to put it on an NPC and have them dance. I made this little nightclub here, the Roxbox Dance Hall, and I put a bunch of cool little videos together to build this, like giving a badge, making the NPC dance, having a sound system, spotlights, things like that. Let's take a look at what we got. If you have epilepsy, you might want to move back a little bit because it's going to get flashy. There we go. Play. There we go. Now they're dancing. And we got a badge. Look at that. Awarded the badge. Night at the Roxbox. Let's get dancing. We'll do what? /E dance. Cool beans. All right, let's get started with that. All right, I got a fresh world right here. First thing I need to do is get an animation, a dance animation. So I'm going to play. So I get my player's dance animation. There we go. Here's my player. He's in the world. We'll go to the workspace. There's my character, right? The player's character. And then look for animate. And on that script, you're going to have a whole bunch of animations. And you could use these in other places. And for NPCs like we're going to do. Look for dance. Now we have a whole bunch of these dance animations. There's 3 of them here, but these, as far as I could tell, as of this recording, look exactly the same. Same with 3. 3 and 2 look the same. But this one here and this one here look different. So I'm going to grab both of them. I'd use the control click to get that second one without losing the first. I'm going to right click and then I'll copy. I'm going to turn my game off. And I'm just going to go to server storage. I'm going to keep them in there for now. So I right click, paste into, there we go. We got 2 animations. Cool. Let's go to our plugins. Let's go to Rig Builder. Now I'm going to use an R15 because I got those animations off of an R15. If you're using R6, obviously use R6, right? You want to use the animation that your player has for the body type, the R6 or R15, because animations are body type specific. So I'm going to get my man rig here, and then make sure you put clothes on or body color so you don't get in trouble. So open this up, and you don't actually have to open it. Put the body colors on there. That's sufficient for getting in trouble. You won't get in trouble with body colors unless they're all the same color, because there's an AI that goes through for checking to see if everybody has clothes on and stuff. And if they're all the same color, it's going to flag the AI. Cool. So speaking of AI, let's add a little AI script on him. It's not going to do any decision making. It's just going to make him dance. So I guess not truly AI. We'll hit this plus sign on the dummy. We'll get the script and let's call it AI. Yeah, that's good. Cool beans. Now we need the character first. So we'll say local char. Well, the script is on the character. So script.parent. That's the character. And we need the humanoid. The humanoid's on the char. So we'll say char. I'll just do a wait for child. Humanoid. Ah, darn it. Humanoid. Once again. All right. Now to play animations, you could play it in the humanoid. They still support that, but it's deprecated. We need to add an animator to the humanoid. Your character already has one automatically, but these dummies, as of this recording, do not. So I'm going to hit the plus because I don't see an animator on there. I'm going to hit animator. Cool. There's my animator. So let's get a variable for the animator, and I'll just call it animator because there's only one, right? Humanoid, wait for child, animator. All right. Now, do we have our... We don't have our dance stuff inside our dummy yet. Let's go down here. Let's grab one. Grab the animation one. Right click. Copy. Go up to dummy. Paste. Paste into. And we could actually put it on the AI if we want. I think let's just keep it down here for now. But let's call it like dance. Dance 1 or something. Dance. Just call it dance. We'll give each dummy one dance type. And yeah, that's good. I like that. We can get more sophisticated later once we get better at it. So I'll say dance. This is the dance anim. It's called dance anim. We're going to get that off the char because that's where we put it. Dance, that's our animation. Cool. And then we need a dance track. So we need to load it onto the animator and get the track. So I'll call this dance track. There we go. We get our animator, colon, load animation. And then we'll put the dance animation into the animator, and that's going to give us a variable for the dance track, right? I know it's a little bit hard to keep track of this stuff. Now we'll get our dance track and we'll play it. And we are done. We got a dancing dummy. Let's go ahead and play it. Boom. Now don't forget these dancing dummies have, they might be anchored. So you might have to check for that. So that's obviously the second one. That's the second dance animation. I thought that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and make a second one, another one. We can call this, maybe we'll name it. Instead of dummy, let's name it dance. I call it dance one. Doesn't matter if we get it mixed up. I'm just going to duplicate it. I'm going to say Control D, and I'll just move this guy over here. And this is going to be dance 2, right? Dance 2. Cool. The only thing we need to do to change that, come down here. We're going to delete that. Which one do we take? Let's try this one. Copy. We'll paste that in there. Paste into dance. And if they're exactly the same, we know we just did the same one twice. Oh, good. No, we got 2 of them. So those are the 2 dances that you'll see in there. Even though they have like 9 dance animations, they all look like they're redundant. But there's definitely 2 different ones. I thought that would be pretty cool. Maybe the next video we can get a sound system going.